Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in this video you're going to see a bob haircut, and of course I'm going to use my Tab moisture spray, and I'm going to use my Tab elixir. So all of this is used to promote hair growth and to get your hair follicles stimulated and to keep your hair moisturized for the most part. So starting out, we put the hair in, and she's telling me how she wanted her hair. Now here we are about to start the cut. I am using clippers, but these are not very expensive clippers, so I wouldn't advise anyone to use their very expensive clippers when they're cutting weave for the most part. So I do have some clippers that's just for like my weave styles. Pretty much I'm starting right here, getting it to where the length that I want, or that she needs. And I'm cutting it slightly at an angle because we're going to do it where it's short in the back and it's going to drop down on the side. So here I'm going to pull the hair out. Right here I'm holding it at a 90-degree angle. And I'm just going to start layering the hair so the layers can fall in the back of the bob. Straight out. Cleaning it up like that around the perimeter. And now we're about to get into curling it. We have it all layered out. We're going to curl it up. here is the finished look. Voila. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.